Hello students. So today we are going to discuss last part of the chapter linear equation in one variable. We are discussing about one variable. Later discuss about two or three or many variables. But in class 7 we discuss about one variable. So hope you are able to understand how you solve the given facts, given equations. It may be some linear equations with some whole number coefficient and some fraction coefficient. Now today we are going to discuss the word problem. Means what? In this case language is given. Some conditions are given and question asked to you some unknown thing. So in this type of questions you will frame the equation first, then try to find out the value. Means what? If you are able to frame the very first line, that is equation, then you complete your half work, and the rest half work is your solving the equation framed by you. Always remember, the language is most important part of the question. If you are unable to crack the language, unable to understand the language, then you are unable to frame the equation, and if you are unable to frame the equation, then you are failed to solve the question. So I am not going to afraid you, but I am going to warn you that be careful about the language. This time I am going to discuss directly the questions given in your book so that you are able to understand. I am not going to write the question on board because it will take too much time. Listen my voice very carefully. I am reading the question. The very first question I am reading, that the number decreased by 7. The number decreased by 7 is 25. Find the number. So question what says? Question says that number decreased by 7 is 25. So find the number. This is the language. So let the number is x. So according to question, now we have to frame the equation with some equal to sign. So number, if number is decreased by 7 is 25. So this is a number. Decreased means what? Minus what? 7 equals to 25. So what is the number? Then we solve it. Shift 7 that side. This is your one solution. So hope you are able. Question says that if number or the number is decreased by 7, so we know the unknown quantity is your number. This number is unknown. So we let this unknown number 7, x, and then we place the condition to frame the equation. This is the solution part. I will be going to some next question so that you are able to understand. The number is multiplied. Number is not given to you, that is your x. Number is multiplied by 2 and a is added to the product. The result is 50. Okay, I am writing over this side. I am writing for you that what question asked you. The number is multiplied by 2 and 8 is added, and a is added. Result is 50. Clear? So what is our work? Clearly start. This is the solution part. Let the number is x. According to question, x is multiplied by 2, that is 2 into x 2x, and 8 is added plus 8. Result is your 50. Then we will solve this one. 2x equals to 50 minus 8, or 2x equals to 42, or x equals to 42 upon 2, that is equals to 21. This is your number. So likewise you can solve, check the question, frame the equation based on the question. Suppose what is given and what is asked to you. Always suppose what question asked to you, that part only. Then we can easily solve this type of problems. We'll discuss more. In this question, it is said that the number is subtracted from 23. This part. The result is what we have. The result is 10 less than twice the number. So, how we solve this one? First, this is first part. Let the number is x. You can choose on any other alphabet, A, B, C, D also. Okay, for your convenience, I am choosing this word A. Let the number is A. Clear? Now it says that number is subtracted from 23 and result is 10 less than twice the number. So what is the twice the number? Twice means double. Twice number is 2a. Now it's sufficient. According to question, number is subtracted from this part. From means what? 23 minus a is, whatever we have result is 10 less than twice the number. 10 less to a minus 10. 10 less than twice the number. Means 10 less than twice the number is equals to this part. Let's try once again. But once again see the equation. Number a is subtracted from 23. That is 23 minus a. This particular, the result, whatever result this gives you, this result is equals to, the result is 10 less than twice the number. 10 less means decrease, less from twice. So 10 less from twice gives you this result. This gives you this result. Means both are equal to each other. Now try to solve. 23, bring minus to this side, we have plus 10, bring a to that side, 2a plus a. What we have? We have 33 equals to 3a. Therefore, a equals to 33 by 3 equals to 11. This is your answer. So it is easier for you now. So let's discuss some more questions. In one question, it is given that sum of 1/8, 1/12 and 1/20th part is 31. Find the number. So here we can first assume, let the number is p. Let the number is your p. So question says that 1/8 of the number, 1/8 means what? Equals to 1 upon 8 into p, that is p upon 8. Then it says that 1/12 equals to 1/12 into p. We can write down p upon 12. Then next one is 1/20th. 1/28 into P equals to P upon 20, and numbers sum of these numbers is 31. So according to question, P upon 8 plus P upon 12 plus P upon 20 equals to 31. Find the LCM of these three numbers. So let's check what is the LCM. 8, 12, 20, 4 2s are 4 3s are 4 5s are 5 2s are 10, 10 3 30, 30, 120. So LCM is your 120. 120 means what? 8 1s are 8 15. 15p plus 10p plus 6p equals to 31. If we solve this side, what we have? 15, 25, 25 plus 8, 31 p upon 120 equals to 31. From this part, then p equals to what? This goes to the multiply form, and this comes to the divide form. It is your 31, 31 cancels, p equals to 120. This is your number. Now, age problems are there. In this question, it says that Seema's little sister's age is 5 years old. Her age means 5 years is the sister's age is 2 years more than 1/4 of Seema's age. Find, it may be Seema's, maybe little sister. Find that age. In this case, question asks you how old is Seema. So what is our? Let Seema's age equals to x. According to question, Seema's, it says that her age is 2 years more than 1/4 of Seema. So 1/4 of Seema means what? This plus 2 and this equals to 5. You have to find out the Seema's age. It's x upon 4 equals to 5 minus 2. X equals to, it's a 3 and 4 comes to this side, 4, it's a 12 year. This is your age problem. So I think you are able to clear the concept. One more question addition today, then I give you use today's work. In this question, this type of question, two terms are given and they are interlinked with each other. Then how we find out? First, how we suppose. In this question, it is given that if one number is 9 more than other, and their sum is 63. Find the numbers. What are the numbers? Question says that what are the numbers? It is given that and sum is 63. What are the numbers? So let the number is x, second number is x plus 9, because it is given that 9 more than other. One number is 9 more than other, so one number is x, then other number is, it may be x plus 9. Means these are the numbers. First, this is the first number, this is the second number, or they are interlinked. Either you can suppose likewise, or you can change the language. Let the number is x, the very first number is x, and this x is 9 more than the second, so second number must be less. X minus 9, both way, what I suppose previously just now and this, both are same. You can use both the way and solve it. So, and the answer is 63. So according to question, x plus x minus 9 equals to 63. When we simplify x plus x minus 9, 63, in this case what we have, 2x equals to 63 plus 9, or 2x equals to, it's a 72, or x equals to 72 upon 2, it's a 2 3 is 36. One first number is 36, then other second number you can write down. Numbers are what? First number is 36, second number x minus 9, that is equal to 27. 36 minus 9, we have 27. So this is your solution. All of you try to solve up to question number 10 of 12C. Next day we discuss more. All these 10 questions are same. All of you must try to solve this one, and then next day we will discuss some more problems. That's all for today. Don't forget, if you like the video, if you are able to understand concept, you must like the video and subscribe the channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. That's all for today. Thank you.